Hello everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today, for our 3-minute mini build, we are going to be building this amazing time machine. And I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So, without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with a 2x6 standard base plate in this light purple, and we're going to do the back first. So we're going to be using these two 1x4 standard bricks. I'm using this kind of dark pink version just on top, like so. And some side attachment bricks in this pink as well, these tall side attachment bricks. And on top of that, these little roof tiles in this pink as well. And this kind of texture will be needed later on, but first we're going to make the sides. So we're going to be bringing in these 1x2 standard bricks in this purple, and on top of them these 1x2 standard base plates. Now we want to add some buttons, so we're going to be using these side attachment bricks. I've got these dark grey ones, 2 over here pointing forwards and 2 more of them pointing sideways on the side. Now we need more of these 2x1 standard base plate in this kind of light purple pattern, and 1x2 standard bricks, and some more of these little base plates. Now this is a really complex design, so I'm just going to speed through the rest of it. We'll need these inverted roof tiles, and if we place them on top like so, then they fit almost perfectly with these roof tiles over here. That is how they go together. And just here, a 1x2 standard base plate and a 2x6 standard base plate on top, like so. Well, that's the basis of our booth. Now all we need now is some more nice detailed decorations. So a side attachment plate facing upwards, like so, on the top, and behind that a 1x2 standard base plate, like so. And all we need over here is just a little roofing, so I'm going to be using these 1x3 kind of tall slope pieces, just like so. I've got 4 of them in this dark purple to go with this. There we go. And on top of this side attachment plate, we're going to be adding this round jumper plate in white. This is going to be our clock as a reference to the time machine. In the front here, a nice little 1x2 tile. That's going to be a little step into it, and we'll just add some buttons using some clear round studs, 1 red, 1 yellow, 1 green, and 1 blue to the time machine. And we don't have much left, but we've still got a little bit of time, so we'll put that aside. We'll actually make the kind of portal of the time machine a 4x4 round base plate. I'm using this light blue, and this kind of dish piece in this clear blue. Stick it on top, place it in here, attach the side attachment, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our time machine is complete, just in time. Phew, that was a bit of a stretch, but anyway, we have our time machine complete. Now, as you can see from the back here, I use these, as I showed you, these roof tiles and these inverted roof tiles actually go together. The actual gradient or the diagonal does fit together, so you can use this basic design, for instance, in any booth that you like. I've just used it in this time machine, you know, to make it a bit more exciting. And I've got here the mechanic, and he made this, he designed this. Oh yeah, thank you for designing it, Mr. Mechanic. Oh yes, very good. Now he's just gonna press the big yellow button, beep, and he's, oh, where did he go? Ah, well, we'll see him in the future, I suppose. But anyway, that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building! let's see if this thing actually works. Beep, beep.